YouTube? It's your boy K, man. I'm back in shower with another motherfucking video, man. As I can see from the title, we about to react to another tornado video, man. You feel me? This is a video that a link that somebody sent me. Basically, it's like a close-up. Basically, it's like close-up people recording. It's like close-up with tornadoes, a compilation, like close-up people recording like tornadoes close-up. So, but yeah, man. This is gonna be dope. There's only 6 minutes. You know what I mean? There's a part 1, there's a part 2 also. So I'm gonna do the part 2 also. There's only a 6-minute video, man. I was just gonna do both parts in one video. I still could do that, to be honest with you. Just do both parts in one video, but I might just do 2 videos. You know what I mean? Go ahead and make 2 videos. But yeah, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this motherfucking video, man. Oh yeah, my fault. And the Hadesburg video is coming, bro. I'm definitely gonna react to Hadesburg, so y'all stay tuned. Yeah, that's coming too, and I got 2 other videos that I'm doing too. So y'all stay tuned, man. We you know I know I ain't been that consistent just because I work and stuff too, but I've definitely been trying. I'm definitely gonna make sure I get better with the consistency. You know what I mean? Dropping videos more often. But yeah, man. Let's get into the motherfucking video. Jesus Christ, this looks like a EF2 or 3. Oh my God. And it's crazy, you could just see it intensifying. Like, you could just see it intensifying every time. Oh my God. Like, look at that shit, bro. That shit is, oh my God. Oh my God. That shit just gave me chills, boy. What the fuck? Get the fuck away from that shit. Bro, people be so close to these shit, bro. I mean, I know I can't even talk because I want to be a chaser, but this shit about to get crazy. Watch. Oh my God. Bro, look at all the trees. Oh shit. Yeah, why does it sound like that? Close the door. What the fuck is you doing? This is in Germany, bro. That shit wild as fuck, bro. I didn't even know Germany had tornadoes, to be real with you. Oh. I said, get your goofy ass to the back. Fuck. Thank you. I said thank you like somebody said bless you. I still say thank you because I know y'all saying bless you. You know what I mean? I know y'all said bless you. I noticed a lot of these are like out of the country. Indonesia.
Non, les transformeurs tout partout. Oh, tabarnak!
That nigga screamed. That's a gang said, ah! Damn.
Oh!
Ooh.
Right in the cars, man. Whoa!
This nigga's having a ball.
Holy fuck!
Bro, why is like all these out the country, bro? Like what the fuck? Damn. Oh. Word. Yo. Oh shit.
Terry's administration.
No. We don't care. Say nah, but yeah, man. That's crazy, bro. I noticed that a lot of those were out the country, bro. But yeah, man. I hope y'all liked the video, man. Those were cool, man. It was really cool to see, like, those weren't even like serious tornadoes. A lot of those look like EF2s, EF3s. Those I also like EF2 and under, honestly. But yeah, man. But yeah, plus I want to give my condolences out there, man, out up in the north, man. You know, Hurricane Ida had just happened, man. Especially, I feel it's crazy, man. This happened so that New Orleans, this Louisiana got hit with another hurricane like that again, man. But it actually ended up going here. It came. We got. I live in VA, Woodbridge, VA, and we actually got impacted from it a little bit. We got a little rain, a little wind, but nothing too serious. But like New York, New Jersey, man, they got a lot of flash floods warning. They got a lot of flash floods. Had some tornadoes, like New Jersey. A place up in New Jersey got hit by EF3, man. Actually, not too far from me, up in Annapolis, Maryland, they had a tornado, EF2, up there. That was an EF3. Was that EF2? That might have been EF2. But yeah, what's the name? That got hit with one. Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, up there they actually had multiple tornadoes. I heard Pennsylvania's been having a lot of record-setting tornadoes this year, so that's crazy. But especially for EF3, that's pretty major for it to happen somewhere like New Jersey, like up north. But yeah, man, this hurricane did some damage, bro. But Yeah, this damage. Yeah, this shit. Yeah, this Hurricane Ida did some damage for real. I don't know. It's Ida, right? Or Ida? I think it's Ida. It's Ida, right? One of my friends tried to tell me it was Ida. I'm not saying motherfucker, it's IDA. It's Ida. Like, like what? But what's the name? But yeah, man, that's gonna do it for this video, man. Stay tuned, man. Part 2 coming. You feel me? We definitely gonna do the Hattiesburg Tornado Alley video too. That's an hour, so I ain't gonna lie. I was really thinking I might split that video into like probably three videos most likely. But yeah, this should be uploaded tonight. This video right here. So yeah, stay tuned for that, man. And yeah, and I saw another. My fault. I'm be gone. But what's the name? I saw another video y'all wanted me to react to. A lot of people want me to react to the. I've reacted to the Moore, Oklahoma tornado, the 2013 one. But a lot of people wants me to react to the one that happened back in '99. Basically the same type of tornado, just happened all over again in 2013. So I'm gonna react to that. But yeah, man, I be seeing a lot of Pecos Hank video, man. I think I've watched a couple of his videos already. Honestly, I think I've reacted to a couple of his videos already. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely react some more of his videos. He definitely like got some dope videos. But yeah, that's gonna do it, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Peace.